Hi, it's Phil from Teachblend, and today we are going to look at how to ensure that our presentations display correctly on whiteboards and projectors. And we're also going to look at how to fix some common issues, such as when you get a blank screen. So I'm just going to open up a presentation, and a little tip is just to click the icon at the bottom right to view this as a presentation. Now, as you can see, this has been displayed correctly on my main PC, and it has also been displayed correctly on my whiteboard. But what happens and what can we do when this is not the case? So you'll have probably seen something very similar to what is on my screen now. A black display, your PC is working absolutely fine, you can view your presentation, but you just cannot see it on the whiteboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the Windows key and the P key on our keyboard together, and then use the down arrow to select the duplicate display option. This will then mirror the display on the PC with the projector or smartboard, and this should hopefully resolve our issue. There is a few more options, such as Extend. Now what Extend will allow you to do is it will allow you to use your PC monitor to have a look at what's coming up next, have a look at notes, etc., while your second display, your projector or your whiteboard, still displays the actual presentation. And this can be really useful just to help you present a little bit more effectively, have a look at notes, have a look at what slides coming up next, etc. There is also some other options, such as the second screen only, which will just display on your whiteboard, and then PC screen only, which will just display on your screen. And this can be really useful, for example, when you're taking a register. You might still run into problems, and one of the best things you can do is to press the source button and have a look through the options in source. So for example, try HDMI 1, HDMI 2, component and PC, whichever one you believe your smartboard is plugged into. But you can just cycle through the options to see if it works. Hopefully when you select the right option, your display will come back up on both your projector and smartboard. I hope you found that useful. Please remember to like and subscribe Teachblend.